Hi guys, I'm Megan.
And I'm Wendy.
And it's Taste Test Week on Long Story Short. Basically that means that we have a ton of taste tests filmed.
And so what are we going to be tasting this week? Chips.
We've got the Lay's crazy flavors.
Yes. We have some terrible sodas, if I recall.
We have some international candies and snacks happening later in the week. We've got cookies.
I ain't mad at you, brownie cookie.
We have the IKEA new candy section.
We do.
Yes. So, one new video every single day this week, Monday through Saturday, coming for you. Make sure to check back every single day for a new taste test week, and we'll see you all week long.
All right. Bye.
Bye.